And we're back to exploring generative fill. Let me add some hair to this guy right here. And it's going to work pretty well because of the perspective. A simple portrait shot facing the camera directly. I'll make it dark hair. First one is alright. Second one is better. And third one, it fits almost perfectly. So you may have to clean it up a little bit afterwards, but there's not much work involved. Problems arise when you have, due to light sources, different tones. For example here, and the perspective is also a little bit skewed. It's tilted. And you can see it doesn't really get what I want. So the hair is not really put into perspective. So the results aren't perfect depending on the photos that you've got. But you can use this method, export it, and then you have less work to do with the traditional Photoshop methods to add hair to models. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.